Yo, what's going on, y'all? Alex Jenkins checking in. Currently in a trade on Great British Pound USD. I did a sell on 1.3420, probably about an hour and 20 minutes ago at 110, somewhere around that price, around that time. I got 24 minutes left in this trade. 36.75 is my, contract, my price of profits per contract. I got 100 contracts, up 2,700. As you see, in a pretty good trade. The market's currently at 1.3399. So, down about 20 pips. Currently the market did hit about 25 pips away from the price. Let's go to the chart real quick. This is a price, see what price was kind of winning earlier. But I know this is one of my resistance levels, and also I got in that trade at 110, 120, so market got close to my price. I made an entry, got in the price, and you can see the market will drop as far as 33.91. So it dropped at least 30 pips in this trade within 2 hours trade. It's about a 2 hour trade. This trade doesn't end till 3 a.m. So yeah. Things looking pretty good on this trade, y'all. I'll get back with you guys in just a moment. Once this trade is somewhere near the end, as you see, I still got 22 minutes left. All right, guys, we done made it back. Market currently at 33.99. Y'all remember my price is 34.20, so I'm still looking at 20 pips. Market came up and came down to the price. As you can see, we had a nice bull candle here at 240. So that really pushed the market all the way back up to at least 304. It came back at the 300 mark, which I know if you know the quarter theory that I was tested a while back, you know that 3400 is a resistance level. As you can see, put your line right here. If I can get it there. Move up. Sorry about that. Right here, and you can see how the market reacted to the price. But right now, market's reacting in a down trend still. So we're looking at 33.98, with a little bit of time left, under 2 minutes right now. So things are looking pretty good. As you can see, profits are well pretty good. This was a pretty good trade, guys. The entry was, pretty awesome on that trade. I mean, I didn't come in up here. I came in over here. So, I mean, that's a pretty good entry. It reached high 34.17. So got a strike rate of 34.20. The market just plummeted. It's a pretty good trade, guys. It's been, a nice trade you could have managed and made some good money on. But, I'm still demoing. Will be stop demoing very soon and go into more of a more live situation for the most part. Most of the time. Trying to cut back on demoing so often. It's time to go live. But we're in a minute right now, so we'll see how the trade results will be. Take a peek at the charts. Well, we got down action. 33.95. We moving back down. Strong bear candle against the bull. Notice you check that reaction. Very strong candle. Another strong candle right behind it. That's a strong candle, but we got a strong force down with the downtrend. Same here. But it's moving down pretty good right now. Here we go. Trade's over. Looking to make $36.75 on this trade. $36.75, $3,675 on this trade. Once this trade settles, we can end this video. Come on, 8X. Get a freeze up. 9797. Oh yeah, it definitely froze up. Let's see if I gotta refresh this here. Alright, here we go. Alrighty, there we go. $28,000. $23,000. Alright, I'll let you check it out.